Resetting two-factor authentication on YouTube can help you regain access to your account if you're having trouble. Follow these steps to reset your two-factor authentication settings. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure you are using the account link to your YouTube channel. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once signed in, click on the security tab located on the left side of the page. This section contains all security-related settings for your account. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section and look for two-step verification. Click on it to access your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-step verification. To reset your two-factor authentication, you will need to disable it first. Click on the Turn Off button and follow the prompts to confirm that you want to disable two-step verification. Step 5. Re-enable two-step verification. After disabling, you can re-enable two-factor authentication by clicking on Turn On in the same section. Follow the setup instructions to choose your preferred verification method, such as text messages or an authenticator app. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset, allowing you to set it up again as needed.